Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to calculate land area in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your computer or mobile browser. If you're not signed in, you can still use the tool, but signing in helps save your work if needed. Once you're in Google Maps, search for the location of the land or area you want to measure. Once you locate the area on the map, right-click on a starting point of the land's boundary. From the menu that appears, select Measure Distance. This will create the first point of the area. Now, click on the next boundary point of the land. Google Maps will automatically draw a line connecting the points. Continue adding points around the land area by clicking each corner or edge of the property. Make sure to click back on the first point to close the shape and complete the area. Once the shape is closed, Google Maps will calculate and display the total area inside the boundaries. You can find the area measurement in the bottom of the map in square meters or square feet, depending on your settings. If you want to adjust the shape, you can drag the points to refine the boundary. To clear the measurement, simply right-click anywhere on the map and select Clear Measurement. That's how you can easily calculate land area using Google Maps. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.